Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your notifications on the Remitly website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to our website of the Remitly. And after going to the website, what we need to do, we have to log in our account. And after logging in our account, what we have to do, simply we have to click on the notification. After clicking on the notification settings, so as you can see, what we have to do in the marketing section, if you want at the app notification, you can enable this. If you want to disable it, you can also do that. In the emails, if you want to enable the email section, you will get the email. If you are going to disable this, you won't get the emails. So as you can see in the profile activity, if you want to get the receive SMS or the notification through email of your profile activity, you can also do that. So as you can see, you can enable this, you can disable this as well. You can also enable or disable this emails as well. So in this way, you can manage your notification section on the Remitly website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can manage your notification settings. So see you guys in the next video.